What's up, tubers? Hey, listen, we got this titanium 125 welder, and we're gonna attempt to make some seat mounts for the Bug. So check it out. And while he's doing that, I'm probably gonna be putting this roof rack together that we got for the Bug. So stay tuned. All right, so here's the little titanium 125. Powered up. Junior got our new Welding helmet on there, and we're gonna make some brackets. Oh yeah. Awesome. All right, so while Junior's working on this, we're gonna go check out what this put together vintage Beetle bug rack from China is like, which I ordered on Thursday 7 a.m. and showed up Friday at 3 p.m. How awesome is that? We'll get to see in just a few minutes when I open this box. All right, so we're gonna take a look and see what's in here. Losing my stand up here. Let's see. Some Rona paper, all the way from China. Hey, look, there's instructions. Who would have thought? We got some hardware. There's all the hardware for it. And let's see if everything's in the box. All right. That, some cross beams, and all the wood slats. So, yeah, let's get this out of the way. All right, we'll be back in a minute. We'll try to get some of this together. Let's see how it works and how it fits on the Bug. Well, folks, let me tell you, this is kind of a pain in the butt. Parts seem good. Instructions are pointless. Can't see any of the black and white pictures. It just gives a breakdown of the parts. Doesn't tell you where any of the stuff goes. All these are Allen head screws. And my Allen fell under that step right there where there's a giant, humongous wolf spider looking thing. And guess what? The Allen wrench is going to stay there. But we're going to get this done. Be back in a few, show you what it looks like. Or if I have any other problems on the way. Because there's a part down there, and over there, and over there. So, we'll be back. And he's still making mounts. Alrighty, there it is, folks. It's a made in China vintage VW roof rack. If I can figure it out, I'll put a link in the description on where I got it. It was pretty cheap, and the shipping was fast. It's Chinese, but it came out of California. So there it is in all its glory. It was 179 bucks, I believe, with free shipping. Now I just got to go around and tighten all the little screws. Looks pretty good though. And the front part is done. We'll get the seat in there tomorrow and mess with the back part of the brackets. Thank you, boy. It's late as hell. It's after midnight. And it's still over 100 degrees. We're done. We're going back inside. Take it easy, folks. Peace.